Hello ladies! What I have right now in my hands are the beauty products that I'm gonna show you in a moment. So I'm happy that I end up buying the DIY thing, end up buying beauty products that I listed 2 months before, and now I have it actually in my hands. Let's talk about the 5,000 pesos, which is only one session for Brazilian wax, become worth it with the beauty products I bought. But we will next try the 5,000 pesos Brazilian wax next time. How it feels, how it looks like, is it worth it, or is it the same I experienced in the Philippines? Watch the next video.
From this to this.
Hello ladies! Tapos na tayo mag-blower with leave-in conditioner. Before we're gonna start, we're gonna use the medicated lip balm for our cracked lips since still winter, cold pa rin siya. For today's video, we will tackle about delay gratification. Before that, I'll show you what I bought in TJ Maxx. 4,200 na one session Brazilian wax is nabili ko na siya ng marami. So first, for my replace for the Brazilian wax. So bought this one, the electric shaving system. Next is Batana hair oil. I heard a lot about this. An empty bottle with this rosemary biotin scalp hair oil. I bought this $15, which is 500 plus. Ang liit niya. This one is only $5.99. Good thing, hindi na siya ganun kabald yung hair ko. Next is aloe vera moist cleansing foam. $4.99, which is nasa 250 pesos. What I like about this is a foam which is gentle to your skin, to your face, effectively removing makeup. And then, this is glutathione niacinamide bottle, and this is toner pad. This costs $15, which is 500, and this one is $4. As you can see, tatlo na yung mga tag niya, meaning grabe yung discount. Tatlong level ang pag-discount ng product nito. As long as expensive product, they put alarm like this. I already used this one and I love it. This is what it looks like. Since bagong ligo tayo, wala tayong nilagay. We don't put any products in our face, so we will try everything that we bought in TJ Maxx. Include always your neck, ladies, to make it even. These products are made in Korea, so once it's made in Korea, I trusted it when it comes to beauty products because it's very effective. That's why their face are very glowing, shiny, globally yung mga products nila. Let's go for the next product. It's Rice Niacinamide Cream. Powerful moisturizer. It's 5-in-1 retinol. Love this one because may siya, retinol 1,000 ppm. Niacinamide, may licorice. That's what I love it. So, grab ko na siya right away kasi ang ganda niyang ingredients na. You know what? I'm so happy. This is Centella. 1,300 ang ganitong price, and I got this from 500 pesos. I was looking for this kasi sobrang ganda niya. This is trending because of its quality. Maraming gumagamit. Naglalighten ng skin, nag-minimize ng pores, like lifting your face from sagging. Finally, I found it and I bought it in a lower price kasi I went to their official website. Yes, it is very expensive and I got it for lower price. Don't forget your neck and your hands kasi yung hands mostly ginagamit natin magluto, maglaba, and nagda-dry siya to avoid wrinkles and sagging. MAC. The original price with this one is almost 2,000. I got this for 500 pesos. Parang liquid highlighter siya na i-illuminate. So, you can mix it with your any foundation. This is MAC also, which is given with my friend CC Cecil. So, just a little bit. Before you putting makeup in your neck, you need to put retinol cream or this one. I love this one. Actually, I have here retinol and hyaluronic acid. And this is one I newly bought. And I have also a retinol for my eyes. Let's try this one. the 5-in-1 retinol. Actually, sana ilagay ko mo. Because I used the Centella, which is okay na. But I need to put more. Especially sa lieg. Kasi, iedad na tayo. Ang ganda ng result, right? Like, next is Satin Lipstick from MAC. And the second is the lip gloss, Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Ang liit niya, guys. Very cutesy. I love how it's so small because I can carry it anywhere. I can put it in my pocket. So it's color red, as you can see. Ang ganda niya. I have lip gloss that I bought in Thailand. As you can see, it's a little darker, but it's beautiful. You can wear this alone without lipstick, and you can pair with a little bit mauve lipstick, and you can put it together. I bought the scrunchie, and the last one that I'm so happy. One of the beauty products that I wrote down is the Dalba Face Mist. And this one, I finally have it. I'm very excited and very happy that I got it. So that's the delayed gratification. I write it down and I waited for it. Let's open it together. Isang gumagamit ito ay si Cristel Polgar. She always use this every time she had a vlog. So I was like, oh, I think I need to buy na. I need to include this in my list and have it my own. This is also made in Korea and vegan, which is I love it. Ang ganda niya. Let's try this. Oh my god. I'll try the makeup. Let's put the highlighter. I finally have a glowing skin, which is I'm looking for this. Before, I don't want to have a video direct on my camera because my skin is so dark. Like, parang may eye bags ako, parang ang laki ng mga pores ko and super dark. Now, it's like, wow. That's why you need to invest a good quality beauty products. May contour na. I may nose line. So glowing. I love looking at my face. After that, gamitin natin Dalba Face Mist again. You need to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Hydrated and radiant skin with white truffle from Italy. So in love with this, actually. Ugh. So let's put after, during your makeup, in between, while, before, and after makeup. Simple makeup, heavy makeup, you can use this. Okay, let's try again. Ang bango niya, my god. Wow, smells so good. Parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-perfume. Smells so good niya, my god, I love it. Wow, naging Korean na ako, guys. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I unboxed this Dalba Face Mist together with you. Wow, I'm so happy I have this. Binalik ko pa siya sa box. That's it, guys. I just wanted you to witness and share with you. Kapag let down kayo ng mga wishlist nyo, hindi nyo muna minamadali yung sarili nyo to buy it. A powerful woman knows how to wait. It's also a discipline. Kasi dito, delayed gratification. In simple terms, it says, you resist what feel good today so you can gain something more valuable tomorrow. Example, instant gratification is you spending money on what you want right now. That's instant gratification. I mean, it's delayed gratification, saving or investing that money for future peace, security, or freedom. It is saying no to impulse shopping, choosing to save instead of flex, investing in skills instead of trends. That builds money confidence, reduces stress. In the mental health angle, delayed gratification trains your brain to tolerate discomfort. Do not buy right now. You're gonna have it. Just stay, wait, like that. Reduce impulsive decision. Feel more in control. Build with confidence and self-trust. Once you know how to control, you have a calm mind. Delayed gratification is also a discipline. What you wait for is worth more than what you rush. Why it's so powerful? People who practice delayed gratification tend to have better finances, lower anxiety, stronger discipline, long-term success. It is like delayed gratification. It's choosing peace later over pleasure now. So yun, guys. I'm practicing a smart money habits right now. And one way of those things is to wait and do not buy rush beauty products. Just write it down, those quality products. Ang hirap mag-convince ng other women to be confident and be powerful if me is not convincing at all. Sharing how to become a powerful woman and manage her money habits. And you feel better because you know how to manage your money. Okay, that's it, guys. And okay, here. I love this scrubby sponge, white and brown color, which is aesthetic color. I'm happy because this is made from plant base, which is plant cellulose and coconut fibers. I love nature, gentle to the nature, like this one. Zero plastic, which is I love that. That's it, guys, and see you in my next series.